everybody, this movie is about how to convert moles of gas to liters of gas and vice versa. So here's our first question. What is the volume of 1.3 moles of NO2 gas at STP? So STP stands for standard temperature and pressure, which is 0 degrees Celsius and 1 atmosphere. And all the problems you're going to get are going to be at STP. We're not going to be calculating volume or moles at different pressures and temperatures. So the way we start this out is we have to write down what we know. We know we have 1.3 moles. And we have to multiply it by a conversion factor. And the conversion factor is 22.4 liters in 1 mole, or 1 mole is equivalent to 22.4 liters. So this is a constant at STP. So which one are you going to use? You want to get moles to cancel out, and we want to have a unit of volume, which in this case would be liters. So if I multiply it by 22.4 liters in a mole, then my moles will cancel and my answer will be in liters. So what will that be? If I put that into my calculator, I will get 29 liters of NO2. Notice this answer here has 2 sig figs. So, sorry, not an answer. This number here has 2 sig figs, so does this number here. We don't let this value here, which is a given number, it's like a constant, that we won't let it limit our sig figs. So we'll just have 2 sig figs like our 1.3 moles. Now, another interesting thing about this constant is this 22.4 liters per mole. It doesn't matter what gas it is. It could be NO2, it could be hydrogen, it could be oxygen, it could be air. 1.3 moles of whatever gas takes up a volume of 29 liters. So here's another question. 600.0 liters of air at STP is compressed into a scuba tank. How many moles of air are in the tank? So we start off with what we know. We have 600.0 liters of air. My conversion factor is 22.4 liters in a mole, or 1 mole is equivalent to 22.4 liters. We are given liters. We want to figure out moles. So we want to multiply it by a conversion factor that will get rid of the liters and give me an answer in moles. If I multiplied it by this one, my unit would end up being a liters squared over moles. So that's no good. Let's multiply it by 1 mole over 22.4 liters. By doing this, my liters will cancel and my answer will be in moles. So in this case, if you put that in your calculator, you will get 26.79 moles. So notice that this number here has 1, 2, 3, 4 sig figs. So my answer has to have 4 sig figs. We won't let this constant, which is accepted by scientists, limit our sig figs. So 4 sig figs is good, 26.79 moles. And we're done.